Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Powersports chain and sprocket kits is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make to your motorcycle or ATV, directly impacting its performance, acceleration, and overall riding experience. A high-quality kit ensures that your machine's power is efficiently transferred from the engine to the wheels, providing a smoother and more responsive ride. Whether you're tackling challenging off-road trails or cruising on the highway, the right chain and sprocket combination can make a world of difference in how your Powersports vehicle performs and feels. Number 5. Vortex CK6291 Chain and Sprocket Kit, Black. This kit comes pre-assembled and ready for immediate installation. You won't need to cut any part of the chain, saving you time and effort. Crafted in Japan, these chains meet the highest quality standards in the industry. Experience superior performance and durability. Featuring our SV3 series, it boasts a dual-pocket sealing system. This design provides up to 7 times longer wear life than standard O-ring chains. Each kit includes a secure rivet-type master link for easy and reliable connection. Clip-type links are also available separately if preferred. This is an HFRS 520 conversion kit designed for optimal performance. It offers a gearing change of 1 tooth down in the front and 2 teeth up in the rear. The kit includes a precision-cut steel rear sprocket. This component is engineered for durability and efficient power transfer. What we like. This kit is designed for ultimate convenience and longevity. Its chains are made in Japan to the highest quality standards, featuring a dual-pocket sealing system for up to 7 times longer wear life. If you're looking for a hassle-free installation and a kit that will last, you should consider this one. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary components for a complete drivetrain replacement, ensuring proper fit and function. The sprocket is made of high-quality steel, which provides excellent durability and resistance to wear. The chain features advanced roller design for smooth operation and reduced friction, leading to improved power transfer. Number 4. D.I.D DKK 017520 VX2 Chain and Sprocket Kit for Kawasaki Ninja 300. Introducing the D.I.D DKK 017 kit, specifically designed for your Kawasaki Ninja 300 models from 2013 to 2016. This is the perfect upgrade to enhance your riding experience. It features the D.I.D 520 VX2 chain in a classic steel color. Its patented X-ring design offers exceptional sealing, keeping dirt out and lubrication in for extended wear life. Unlike traditional O-ring chains, its X-rings twist to minimize friction. This innovative design reduces power loss, ensuring you get the most out of your motorcycle. The kit includes a 14-tooth front sprocket and a 42-tooth rear sprocket. The rear sprocket is made from high-carbon steel and heat-treated for maximum durability. The countershaft sprocket is crafted from chrome moly steel, providing superior strength and longevity. This ensures reliable performance mile after mile. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to enhance your Ninja 300's drivetrain. Experience the difference in performance and durability. What we like. Experience superior sealing and reduced friction with its patented X-ring design. This technology keeps dirt out and lubrication in, ensuring the longest possible wear life while minimizing power loss. If you prioritize maximum durability and extended performance, this is the kit for you. What people say. The kit includes all necessary components for a complete drivetrain replacement, ensuring proper fit and function. The sprocket is made from high-strength steel for durability and resistance to wear, even under demanding riding conditions. The chain features advanced roller designs and high-quality materials, contributing to smooth operation and extended lifespan. Number 3. Vortex CK6130 Chain and Sprocket Kit. This chain kit comes pre-assembled and ready for immediate installation. No need for any chain cutting, saving you time and effort. Crafted in Japan, these chains meet the highest industry standards for performance and durability. You can trust in their superior quality. Featuring an advanced dual-pocket sealing system, it offers up to 7 times longer wear life than standard chains. Enjoy extended performance and fewer replacements. This kit includes a cut steel rear sprocket, paired with a gearing reduction in the front. It's designed for optimal performance. Each chain comes with a reliable rivet-type master link for a secure connection. Clip-type links are also available separately for your convenience. What we like. This kit offers exceptional ease of use and extended durability. Manufactured in Japan to stringent specifications, its chains boast a dual-pocket sealing system that provides up to 7 times the wear life of standard chains. If you value a straightforward installation and a product built for longevity, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit includes a high-quality chain with excellent tensile strength, ensuring durability and reliable performance even under demanding conditions. Sprockets are precision machined from hardened steel, providing superior wear resistance and optimal power transfer for a smooth and efficient ride. The overall design of the kit allows for easy installation and adjustment, making it a convenient upgrade for riders of all skill levels. Number 2. D.I.D DKH 003525VX Chain and Sprocket Kit for Honda CBR 600RR07-11. Introducing the D.I.D DKH 003525VX Chain and Sprocket Kit. This kit is specifically designed for your Honda CBR 600RR, model years 2007 to 2011. The 525VX chain features D.I.D's patented X-ring design. This innovative technology provides exceptional sealing, keeping dirt out and lubrication in for extended wear life. Unlike traditional O-ring chains, our X-rings twist between the side plates. This design significantly reduces friction and minimizes power loss, ensuring you get the most out of your engine. The rear sprockets are crafted from high-carbon steel and heat-treated for maximum durability. The countershaft sprockets are made from chrome moly steel, offering superior strength and longevity. With a 16-tooth front sprocket and a 42-tooth rear sprocket, this kit is engineered for optimal performance. Experience enhanced durability and a smoother ride with this premium upgrade. What we like. Benefit from an advanced X-ring design that offers superior sealing and reduced friction. This innovative system ensures optimal lubrication and keeps contaminants out, leading to extended wear life and minimal power loss. If you're seeking a high-performance upgrade with enhanced durability for your specific motorcycle model, this kit is ideal. What people say. This kit is a great value for the money, providing excellent performance and durability. The sprocket design is innovative, offering improved grip and reduced wear. Installation was straightforward, and the chain runs smoothly, enhancing the overall riding experience. Number 1. D.I.D MXS 008 OEM 520VX2 Gold Chain and Sprocket Kit. Introducing the D.I.D MXS 008 OEM Kit, designed specifically for your Suzuki Z400 from 2000 to 2007. This kit includes a gold 520VX2 X-ring chain and 14-tooth front 47-tooth rear sprockets. Experience the difference with our patented X-ring design. It offers the best sealing of any O-ring chain, keeping dirt out and lubrication in for extended wear life. The unique X-rings twist between the side plates, minimizing friction and power loss. This means you get more efficient performance from your ride. Our rear sprockets are crafted from high-carbon steel, heat-treated for maximum durability. The countershaft sprockets are made from chrome moly steel, ensuring superior strength and longevity. This kit is engineered for the toughest conditions, providing reliable performance and a long service life for your motorcycle. Get everything you need in one package, a gold 520VX2 chain with 112 links and the perfect 14T47T gearing for your Z400. What we like. This kit combines the benefits of an X-ring design with a striking gold finish. The X-rings provide excellent sealing and reduce friction for maximum wear life and power transfer. If you're looking for a visually appealing upgrade that maintains stock gearing for your specific dirt bike, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The chain and sprocket kit is a direct fit for my motorcycle, making installation straightforward. The materials used in the kit appear to be of high quality, suggesting good durability. The sprocket teeth are precisely machined, ensuring smooth engagement with the chain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.